again. So I'm in the LG showroom and I'm here with the Induction Cooktop and I'm kind of excited to show you it. I've got my pan ready. I'm gonna hold down the power button and there it is. I've got this nice LCD digital display to show me my burners. I like the one in the center. I'm gonna go ahead and turn that on. And if I don't have a pan on it, it's gonna remind me, hey, need an appropriate pan. So there's that. I think I'm gonna choose a 4.5. There we go, and I can already see that it's heating up. There we go. If I wanted to cook something, it's gonna be cooking quicker with the Induction Cooktop. But the beauty of it is, let's say I'm done cooking and I'm gonna move this over here. I can immediately touch the surface and not burn myself, but the bottom of the pan is still very warm. On the left here, I have 2 flexible induction burners, and if I want to join them together, I can actually use the touchscreen to marry them together. Now I have a flexible cooktop for my compatible griddle. Back to you.